Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roblox client crashing without error. Okay, first things first, consider reinstalling your Roblox. Begin by uninstalling Roblox from your phone. Select Roblox for uninstallation, and after uninstalling, navigate to Google Play Store and reinstall Roblox into your phone again. Once you have installed it, open your Roblox app, log in with your account, and proceed to play any experience because that should easily fix it. However, if it's still not working, do not hesitate to reach out to Roblox support and personally ask them on how you can fix your problem by chatting them with "How can I fix my client crashing without error?" and just wait for the Roblox support to reply to you. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roblox client crashing without error. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.